If you open that door, we're restarting, no matter what round it is.
One step away from finishing.
Did somebody else activate a portal?
Back.
There's picking up the photograph activate a portal. Oh, it does.
Seems like it.
Damn. Alright, that's my bad. I thought we had more time. I didn't remember that picking up the photo starts it.
Why are your hands so weird, man? Maybe I can look. Your hands are so big. Your hands are actually disproportionate to your body.
They are larger than his boots.
Yes. Whoa!
I must confess, Weaver,
Now we
I did
pretend.
not believe this would work.
What are you doing? What is your big ass hands doing on this tiny ass?
Stop focusing on him.
Activate the accelerator priority 1 strike
Like
team.
the Hulk trying to do
Nothing cancel it and buy the time it needs.
Holy shit, he's low.
How was he so low? Okay.
What do you mean he's low?
Oh, I thought that was a health bar.
Or at least I'm pretty sure they do. Ring of fire, 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 ring of fire. Never mind.
I made you both. Are you serious?
This bodes well for
John, armor?
Who needs armor?
Literally everybody. John, go get your fucking armor before you die. I thought he said silence is on our side. I'm like, what does that even mean? We are full send right now. This is not a stealth mission, brother. Over here. Now it's an escape sequence. Zabe.
I don't know what we're supposed to follow. I'm gonna kill more
Probably
zombies.
everybody.
What's that?
That's all I need to hear. Raptor 1 is inbound, strike team.
Oh, this is not fun. I'm stuck on the Wonder Fish machine? I'm good. Never mind.
Wonder if there's a
Raptor
down
1
there.
is the LZ, Requiem actual.
I don't know. No, I was stuck on Ricola? I don't know what I was stuck on.
And we're done.
Raptor 1, strike team on board for extraction.
I'm still here. I'm still here.
Requiem, out
See how easy that
That's
was?
literally it.
Zilny has been
Yeah.
destroyed.
Told you that was
Good work,
so,
strike
it's so
team.
fucking
We've
easy.
closed the breach. But I got a feeling Omega Group is just getting started.
Firebase Z after this, and then what?